The car that has it all. Introducing Next-Gen Ford Everest in all its grandeur, a flagship SUV that embodies a 20-year legacy, exemplifies robust and iconic design and sets new standards in safety, technology, and comfort. An award-winning masterpiece, the Everest enjoys a commanding exterior design, while the interior offers an oasis of luxury, ensuring a seamless driving experience every time. With an unwavering commitment to safety, the Ford Everest integrates cutting-edge technologies to provide unparalleled protection and confidence on every journey. So, get ready to embrace the best-in-class performance, elegance, and uncompromising versatility. Welcome aboard the Next-Gen Ford Everest. Make an entrance with Everest's instantly recognizable grille and unique C-clamp headlamps design. Fits 7 people comfortably, with an interior crafted and engineered to be a sanctuary on every type of terrain. The incredibly smart SUV, Everest, provides superior technology at your fingertips. Whether it's for navigation, entertainment, or safety, Everest pushes the boundaries of what an SUV can offer in terms of technology while delivering an outstanding driving experience for you and your loved ones. Whether your adventure is on or off the road, Everest delivers power and torque to push all boundaries. Dual recovery points, excellent towing capability, water weighting, design innovations, tough off-road heritage, and selectable drive modes are testimony to Ford's built-tough DNA. With an array of safety features, Everest guarantees a safe drive for you and your family. Pre-collision assist, lane-keeping system with road edge detection, and evasive steer assist are a few of the features that can help you avert potential collision, impact, and swerving, as well as secure extra protection for a peaceful ride.